Hello wisdom seekers, welcome to Soul Seeking Wisdom. Myself Parvi Agarwal, who is a writer and an aspiring author, and today I present to you something really amazing, and that is my book Meet Your Soul. So this is a self-help guide and I've published it on wordpress.com, so you can check it out in the link below. And this video is basically going to talk about what this book is. So let me put it, simply put, soul. It is a deep inner part of you, that little child, that divine consciousness inside. It is a feeling of freedom when nothing restrains you. Time, responsibilities, emotions, aspirations, nothing. It is a state of nothingness, and this state is not achieved. It isn't even induced. This state just is. It exists. There are ways I can explain how I got to feel this state and how powerful, magically blissful this state is. But yes, this state isn't a checkpoint, a destination. It is just the conscious realization of the divine path. The beautiful play, the dance and poetry, the harmony of existence. This is a state of creation, rejuvenation, insights and esoteric knowledge. This is a feeling of having everything and nothing at the same time. This is a mid-state between sleep and wakefulness, between happiness and sadness, between all the two extremes that exist. It is like a pendulum slowly coming to the mean position naturally. So that was my experience of realizing my soul, and I wrote this particular book. This is rather a document, just 58 to 60 pages of my work, and it deals with helping you feel that soul inside of you. It deals with helping you realize who you are and differentiate between your mind, your thoughts, your emotions and your soul. So I am 100% sure that once you read this document, you will become a different person who realizes this energy inside of them. Because what happens is that we live in a world wherein we always focus on who we are or what other people feel and think about us. We barely think about this soul or the purpose of our life, the purpose why we are alive on this planet. And this document does exactly it. It is kind of a step-by-step guide that helps you experience your soul. However, as its title suggests, meet your soul. This document is about meeting your soul. And as I said in the intro part, that it is not a checkpoint. It's not a destination where you reach. It is just the awareness that you get. You slowly shift your focus from outside to inside, and shifting that focus is not that easy. Shifting that focus and realizing who you are is not that easy. So it contains all those little tips and tricks and little meditation sessions and creative work that will really help you see who you are. And I hope you like this content, and I would love to share this content with you. And to get it, firstly, there are 3 steps you can follow to get it. Firstly, click on the link in the comment section below. You'll reach to my website, and yes, I developed a website recently. So this website is a wholesome platform wherein you can access every content that I post. So I keep posting regular blogs, and these blogs are philosophical, spiritual and meditative content. So like I recently posted this blog on independence versus dependence, which dissects the idea of being dependent or being independent and how do we balance that stuff. So you can access that content. You can access a lot more things that are available there. Also there on the left hand side you will see this link which will direct you to a page, and you can read about this particular book. You can read about what this book is, and if you're interested you can proceed to purchase it. So yes, that's it, dear wisdom seekers. Keep seeking wisdom.